Let's learn about feelings. Sick. When we feel sick, we want to lie down and rest.
I feel cold and weak. I think I am sick.
Grumpy. Feeling grumpy means that something is bothering us and we are not in a very good mood.
I don't want to go to bed right now. I want to keep playing. I am grumpy.
Tired. Sometimes when we are sick or we have had a long and busy day, we feel tired.
I did so much work today. I feel so tired.
Alice gets the flu. Alice went out to play in the snow. Her mom told her to wear her hat and scarf, but she did not listen. Now Alice has a cold. She is sick. Her mom made Alice her favorite soup, but Alice is not hungry. I don't want to eat this soup, she said. She is grumpy. Alice had no energy to play with her little brother. All Alice wanted to do was lie down in her bed. She feels tired. Comprehension question. Can you remember a time when you felt grumpy? What made you feel better?